Our third lesson is playing with whole numbers. And in this chapter we will learn about factors and multiples, prime and composite numbers, test of divisibility, prime factorization, highest common factor which is commonly known as HCF, lowest common multiples which is also known as LCM, relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers, word problems of HCF and LCM. First of all, we will learn what is factors. A number which divides a given number exactly is called a factor of the given number. That means if we divide any number and there is no remainder in it, then it is called as the factor of it. Let's see the example. Here 6 is divided by 1. Our quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Here 6 is divided by 2 and our remainder is 0 and quotient is 3. Here that means 2 and 3 is also the factor of 6. Here 6 is divided by 3 and quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. That means 3 and 2 is also the factor of 6. But when we divide 6 by 4, our remainder remains 2. When we divide 6 by 5, our remainder remains 1. And when we divide 6 by 6, our remainder remains 0 and quotient is 1. That means the factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. That means when we divide 6 by all these 4 numbers, our remainder is 0. In example 2, we have to find the factors of 36, 27 and 18. Likewise, we will find the factors. When we multiply 1 by 36, our answer is 36. When 2 is multiplied with 18, our answer is 36. When 3 is multiplied by 12, our answer is 36. When 4 is multiplied with 9, our answer is 36. And when 6 is multiplied with 6, our answer is 36. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors of 36. Similarly, we have to find factors of 27. When 1 is multiplied with 27, the result is 27. When 3 is multiplied with 9, our result is 27. Here 1, 3, 9 and 27 are the factors of 27. Similarly, we have to find the factor of 18. When 1 is multiplied with 18, the answer is 18. When 2 is multiplied with 9, our answer is 18. When 3 is multiplied with 6, our answer is 18. That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. Here are some points that we have to remember. First one is 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Each number which we are going to find the factor, every number itself is the factor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact division of that number. That means when we divide 3 with 3, the number is exactly divisible by 3. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. In previous example, we have seen that if we are going to find the factor of 36, any of these number can't be greater than 36. Means every number which are factor of 36 are either it is equal to 36 or less than 36. Our next point is number of factors of a given number is finite. That means every number which are factors of any number that will be finite, means it will not be infinite. What is multiples? A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. That means if a number is multiplied by any natural number, then the product of the multiplying will be the multiples of that number. For example, here we have to find the first 5 multiples of these 3 numbers. The first one is 5. For this, we will multiply 5 with 1, then our result will be 5. When we multiply 5 with 2, our result will be 10. When we multiply 5 with 3, our result will be 15. When we multiply 5 with 4, our result will be 20. And when we multiply 5 with 5, the result is 25. That means 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. These 5 are the multiples of 5. Our next example is 8. Similarly, here also we will multiply 8 by first 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All these are natural numbers. Then the product will be the multiples of 8. And in 9 also we will multiply first 5 natural numbers with 9. Then our result or the product of the multiples will be the multiples of 9. And in next example, it is given that find the 7th multiple of 15. That means 15 को हम लोग 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब हमारा 7th मल्टीपल निकलेगा 15 से. And the result is 15 when multiplied with 7, the result is 105. That means option D is the correct answer. Now you all have to solve this exercise, and if there is any problem in solving this exercise, you can ask me and I will give you the solution of that question.